Hello everyone! Welcome to Cooking with Goggings. This is Angela Rose, and I will teach you how to cook yellow rice. Cooking yellow rice is a simple and flavorful process. Yellow rice is often seasoned with spices like turmeric, which gives it its distinct color and flavor. Here's a basic recipe on how to cook yellow rice. Prepare 3 cups white rice. Rinse the rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This step helps remove excess starch and prevents the rice from becoming too sticky. Prepare 4 cloves garlic finely minced and 1 medium-sized red onion finely minced. Heat vegetable oil over medium heat. Sauté the garlic and onion for a few minutes. Add 2 tablespoons margarine. Continue stirring until they become fragrant and translucent. Add 1/2 teaspoon ground pepper. Add 1 teaspoon ground turmeric. This is what makes our rice turn yellow. Cook for about 30 seconds to a minute, stirring constantly. This helps release the flavor of the spices. Add 1 tablespoon annatto powder, diluted in 1/2 cup water, and continue to cook for about 30 seconds to a minute, stirring constantly. Add the rinsed rice to the pan with the spices and aromatics. Sauté the rice for another 1 to 2 minutes to lightly toast it. Pour in 3 cups of water or chicken broth for added flavor. Stir everything together. Increase the heat to high and bring the liquid to a boil. Once the liquid is boiling, reduce the heat to low. Cover the pan with a lid and let the rice simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes or until all liquid is absorbed and the rice is tender. Turn off the heat and let the rice sit, covered, for an additional 5 minutes. This resting period helps the rice become fluffy and absorb any remaining moisture. Your yellow rice is now ready to be served as a delicious side dish. Enjoy your homemade yellow rice with your favorite main dishes, such as grilled chicken, seafood, or vegetables. You can also garnish it with fried garlic, fresh herbs like spring onion, cilantro, or parsley for added flavor and color. If you want to know how to cook chicken in asal, please follow the link in the description. If you liked the recipe, please like, comment, and share, and subscribe to our channel and follow our FB page for more cooking tutorials. Cooking with Goggings! This has been Angela Rose. Thank you for watching.